Hi everyone, I hope you are keeping well, and a little reminder that the booking link for the June workshop is now up on the website. So if you head over there, you should find more information if you want to read some more about it. And yeah, I will be continuing to just pop on and leave little bits of information on here, and I'm very open to you reaching out and asking questions if you're curious, if you're kind of not sure if this is for you. The invitation is open and welcome for anyone over the age of 16. You don't need to have any experience working with your voice. You don't have to be already involved in music. So it will be tailored to the needs of the group, and we will be moving at a pace and process with this kind of guided learning journey that will really unfold. So don't feel that the space is not for you if you're kind of a bit underconfident in that area, or this is something that's unfamiliar. Equally, if you are already immersed in creative practice or performance, this will be something that will enhance and offer you more tools. That's really the aim of the day, is to provide you with practical tools and skills to build on, which can either enhance existing practice, or they're things that you can begin to integrate and work into your vocal development and just general creative exploration, personal development, exploration of yourself and your identity. So it will be a little bit of theory, but also very practical as well, technical demonstration, collaborative group exercises, and the whole tone of the session is about reflection and inquiry, and really allowing yourself to guide the process and the pace for you. So it will be structured, and we will move together as a group. But yeah, it's very much, there's space and room for you to approach tasks in a way that feels good and comfortable to you. Everything will be guided in a safe manner, and yeah, you have room within that to define for yourself your kind of own limitations and boundaries as well. So a really inclusive space, and yeah, I think I'm going to leave this little note here, and I will drop a link in this post as well. But yes, as I said, I'll keep on dropping in and giving little snippets and bits of information. And yes, if you know anyone that would be interested in this, please send them my way, signpost them to my website. 7th of June, this workshop is happening, and yeah, really looking forward to it. Really nice space for the session, and yeah, it'll be great to get back into having a diverse group of people coming together and sharing sound, because there's something really special about that. So if you would like to be a part of that, then book your place in the link, and speak to you soon.